we are looking at how to pronounce these ranking vocabulary. So you have a set of countable series of things and you want to rank them. So if you have 10 things and this is the last one, it's going to be the 10th. So you really have to do that th with your tongue between your teeth at the end. 10th. When you have 20 or 20, it's the 20th. Or in American English, they would say 20th or 20th. 30th. It's a bit tricky, this one. 40th. 50th. For 50, of course. 60th for 60. 60th birthday, for example. 70th birthday. 70th. 80th. 90th. It's easy, right? You've got them all? Yeah, now you know. More videos for you here to learn more English pronunciations and how to say what's after 90th as well. Well, here you have it. Thanks for watching. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate the support.